If you want to become an AI engineer and if you want to learn AI in the data engineer part, this is a roadmap that you can follow on. So first part you can follow on learning the machine learning basics. Second part you can focus on the deep learning understanding part, neural network part, transformer architecture, which is a backend for the generative AI LLM models. So for the model you can build a small application using the Python code. You can find the open LLM keys in the internet. You can use the key to integrate into the Python code. Fourth part you can focus on building the small agentic AI application. For the agentic AI, if you are beginner, you can focus on the LangGraph, and if you want to build a multi-agent system, then you can go with the LangGraph part. Then after that you can focus on building the pipeline. For the pipeline you can use the vector database, is a Milvus, PyCon 2. You can use the third one, which is a ChromaDB, for building the pipeline. And definitely these four things which definitely add a cherry on the cake if you want to become a data engineer with the AI role in 2026 to get the 100% hike and get the into the best company. For the roadmap on the generative AI, DM me. I will send all the details into your DM. Stay tuned. Thank you.